In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage account security in Slack. We'll walk through the key places in Slack where you control your security, and I'll share practical tips so you know exactly what each option does and why it matters. Start by heading to slack.com. Once you're viewing your workspace, look to the bottom left corner of the interface and click your profile icon. This opens a quick panel with details about your account. From there, select Profile to bring up your full profile view. On the right side of that panel, click the three dots to reveal more options and choose Account Settings. This takes you to the dedicated page where your security and identity details live. In that view, click the Settings section to see the controls we'll use. Here you can change your password. If you update it, choose a long, unique passphrase and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. A password manager can generate and remember it for you, which reduces the risk of reuse or easy-to-guess patterns. Next, add two-factor authentication. Turning on 2FA means that even if someone gets your password, they still can't sign in without the second verification step. An authenticator app is typically the most reliable choice. Follow the prompts and be sure to save your backup code somewhere safe in case you lose access to your device. You can also update your email address, time zone, and language. Use an email you control and can verify, since Slack may require confirmation to complete the change. Setting the correct time zone ensures messages, reminders, and scheduled sends happen when you expect. Language affects the interface and notifications, so pick what's most comfortable for you. For extra peace of mind, use the option to sign out of all other sessions. This immediately logs your account out on other browsers and devices, which is great after using a shared computer, or if you notice activity that doesn't look familiar, your current session stays active so you can keep working. If you're leaving a workspace for good, you can deactivate your account from here. Deactivation removes your access and visibility. Your existing messages may remain according to workspace policies. Make sure you've saved anything you need before proceeding, and note that some organizations limit who can deactivate accounts. Finally, you can add or adjust your username or display name. Choose a clear, professional name that teammates will recognize and avoid including personal details you wouldn't want shared. That's it. Review these settings periodically, especially after role changes or device upgrades, to keep your Slack account secure and in your control.